See Standard 12th Maths, Chapter 11, Probability Distributions. Exercise 11.3, Sum 4. The probability density function of x is given by f of x equal to k e power minus x by 3 for x greater than 0, 0 for x less than or equal to 0. First question, find the value of k. See, f of x is a density function, is a probability density function. So minus infinity to infinity, f of x dx is equal to 1. So take the limit. See here, the limit is here for x greater than 0. For x greater than 0 means here minus infinity to infinity, here 0. So we start the limit from 0 to infinity only, the function defined. Greater than 0, after 0, so up to infinity. The function defined after 0, that is for 0 to infinity. Less than 0, so less than 0 in the previous of a preceding value of 0, the function is 0. So I take the limit as 0 to infinity, post infinity. F of x is given, there is k into e power minus x by 3 dx is equal to 1. Here k is constant. Integrate e power minus x by 3 and same x by 3, and the coefficient here is minus 1 by 3. 0 to infinity is equal to 1. So this is fraction. So here minus k into this minus, I bring it here, 3 by 1. So upper limit e power infinity is 0 minus lower limit e power 0. E power 0 is always 1 here. So you will get here, this is equal to 1. So minus 3k into minus 1, that is equal to 1. So 3k minus into minus plus, 3k equal to 1, k value is 1 by 3. First question over. Next, second question, the distribution function. The distribution function. The distribution function. Capital F of x is equal to P of x less than or equal to x. This is equal to minus infinity to x f of x dx. This is the definition of the distribution function. Here our f of x is defined only for the value x greater than 0 and for x less than 0. So you will get the distribution function also for the two cases only. First case for x less than or equal to 0. Second case for x greater than 0. See, so for first case for x less than or equal to 0, f of x is P of capital X less than or equal to x. This is minus infinity to x f of x dx. So in this case the function is 0, minus infinity to x. For x less than 0, no function here, 0. That is equal to 0. Second case, for x greater than 0, so f of x is P of x less than or equal to x minus infinity to x f of x dx. So for x greater than 0, our function is defined as k into e power minus x by 3. But we got k value as 1 by 3. So I can substitute here as minus infinity to x, k value as 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 dx. This is equal to 1 by 3 constant, integrate e power minus x by 3 divided by the coefficient of x is here minus 1 by 3. So here we will see here minus infinity to x, but the value starts from 0 onwards only. Minus infinity, but we start the value from after 0 only. So the value starts from 0 to x is somewhere here, x is somewhere here. So 0 to x. So here I apply here 1 by 3 into minus 3 by 1. Apply the limit here, e power x we replace x itself, and then e power 0 is 1 minus 1. 3 cancel, minus e power minus x by 3 minus 1. Multiply with minus 1, we will get 1 minus into minus plus 1 minus e power minus x by 3. So this is the f of x for x greater than 0. So now write f of x distribution function is for x less than 0 and for x greater than 0. For less than 0, in the first case I got the answer as 0. Here 0. In the second case I got the function as 1 minus e power minus x by 3. So this is our capital F of x. See the next question. Third question, 3 cases. Correction. P of x greater than P of x greater than or equal to 5. And then P of x less than or equal to 4. Okay. So let me answer for these questions. Third part, third subdivision. P of x less than 3. P of x less than 3. This is same as here. Lower limit is not given here. So just upper limit. I told you the formula. P of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b is equal to f of b minus f of a, isn't it? So here no lower limit. This is just only upper limit. So just you write this is equal to f of 3. So what is our f of x here? 1 minus my e power minus x by 3 for x greater than 0. So 3 is greater than 0. So just write the function e power, replace xs minus 3 by 3. This is equal to 1 minus e power minus 0. 3 by 3 is 1. E power minus 1. This is the answer. Second question. P of x greater than or equal to 5. So we defined the value only for less than. So I replace the whole value 1 minus P of x less than 5. So this is equal to 1 minus f of 5 according to the definition. Again you replace x as here 5. 1 minus e power minus x by 3. So e power minus 5 by 3. This is, remove the bracket, 1 minus 1 plus e power minus 5 by 3. This is equal to e power 5 by 3. 1 cancel. Third one, find P of x less than or equal to 4. This is equal to just f of 4. This is equal to 1 minus, replace x as 4, e power minus 4 by 3. So this is the answer. See fifth sum. If x is the random variable with the probability density function, f of x is given by f of x is x plus 1 for x is lies between minus 1 to 0 minus x plus 1 for x lies between 0 and 1, 0 otherwise. Find the distribution function capital F of x and p of minus 0.5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0.5. So here the first subdivision I have to find the distribution function f of x. Distribution function f of x. So that we derive from the density function. The definition of this capital F of x is probability function p of x less than or equal to x, that is equal to minus infinity to x f of x dx. So this distribution function we defined that depends upon the how we define the density function. See in the density function, see actually we have the limit minus infinity to infinity, but the function start from here minus 1. Here let me take minus 1 here, after this 0 and then 1. See the function is not defined for less than minus 1, it is 0, and for this minus 1 to 0 the function is defined as x plus 1, and for 0 to 1 the function is defined as minus x plus 1. After 1 the function is not defined, it is 0. So we have the 4 cases for this distribution function. The first case is for x. What about for x less than or equal to minus 1? The second case for x lies between minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Third case is for x lies between 0 to 1. And fourth case is for x greater than 1. For greater than 1. Greater than or equal to 1. So 4 cases we are going to find the distribution function. The first case for x less than or equal to minus 1. So f of x is p of x less than or equal to x. This is equal to minus infinity to x f of x dx. So here the function is not defined here. So here you can directly write the function as 0 dx, which is equal to 0. Second case, minus 1 to 0. So f of x is minus infinity lower limit, but you have here minus 1. Here minus 1. After that minus 1 to 0. You start from minus infinity. So minus infinity to minus 1 f of x dx plus minus 1 to 0 x. Upper limit always x. X f of x dx. See here, as I said, minus infinity to minus 1. Here no function, it is 0. Minus infinity to 1, minus 1, 0 dx plus for minus 1 to x, f of x is defined as x plus 1. X plus 1 into dx. So this is 0. And if you integrate, you will get x square by 2 plus 1. So just x. Minus 1 to x. See, I hope you understand this, how to integrate x power 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. Then here just 1. 1 alone here dx. So df cancel, you will get x. So apply the limits. So just apply the upper limit x square by 2. Replace x as x itself. Minus. Replace x as minus 1 the whole square by 2 plus minus 1. So x square by 2 plus x minus 1 squared is 1. 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1. So this is the x squared by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. This is the second case. Come to the third case. Third case for x lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. F of x is, lower limit is minus infinity to x f of x dx. So I start divide the limits here, minus infinity to here, minus infinity to here, see the interval, minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, and then 0 to 1. 3 cases you have to do. F of x dx plus minus 1 to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to here, 0 to x f of x dx. See, as we said, minus infinity to 1, here the function is 0 dx plus minus 1 to 0, function is x plus 1. Then 0 to 1 minus x plus 1. Just write that. X plus 1 dx plus 0 to x minus x plus 1 into dx. So here this is 0 plus x square by 2 plus x minus 1 to 0 plus minus x square by 2 plus x 0 to x. So apply the upper limit, you will get both the case 0, but apply the lower limit, you will get minus 1 square by 2 plus minus 1. Let it be here. Plus apply the upper limit, so minus, as it is you will get, replace x as x. And lower limit you will get 0. Both are 0. So this is 1 by 2 minus 1 minus x square by 2 plus x. So this is equal to minus x square by 2 plus x, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. See here one small correction. See, upper limit I will apply 0, both are 0. And then see, I'll make one correction here. Upper limit I will get 0 minus the lower limit. So in that case you will get here minus this guy. So minus of minus half you will get here plus half. So answer is minus x square by 2 plus x plus 1 by 2. Okay. Next fourth case, if x is greater than or equal to 1. So f of x is here, according to the formula, you will get minus infinity to x f of x dx. So come to this here, interval explanation here. So I have to get 1 to after 1, greater than 1. So you start from here, minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, and then 1 to here, infinity you will get. So you have to do all that steps. See, again I'll write the interval here for you. See, minus infinity, minus 1, 0, 1. After that you will get infinity. So I have to get for x greater than or equal to 1. X greater than or equal to 1 means up to infinity here. So we split the interval as minus infinity to 1 f of x dx plus minus 1 to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to 1 f of x dx plus c x greater than 1. So here and then 1 to here infinity. 1 to infinity f of x dx. Up to this you will get for these two functions 0 here you will get. For this here we will get in this interval x plus 1. minus x plus 1 for this. So let me write here 0 plus minus 1 to 0 x plus 1 into dx plus 0 to 1 minus x plus 1 dx plus for this function 0 you are getting. So this is equal to integrate x square by 2 plus x minus 1 to 0 plus minus x squared by 2 plus x 0 to 1. So apply the upper limit, you will get 0 minus, apply the lower limit, minus 1 square by 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 square by 2 plus 1, lower limit is 0. So you are getting the answer here as 1 square minus of 1 square is 1 by 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So remove the bracket, minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus into minus plus 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So you will get here, see, minus 1 plus minus 1 here is minus half minus 1 2. This is equal to 1. That's all. So now we collect the answers and write f of x we define for x less than or equal to minus 1, and then for x lies between minus 1 to 0, and then x lies between 0 to 1, and x is greater than or equal to 1. See, first case what you have got for x less than or equal to minus 1. Answer is 0. Second case, we got the answer as x squared by 2 plus x plus half. Third case, we got the answer as minus x squared by 2 plus x plus half. Fourth case, we got the answer as 1. Now write this is for this case 0, and this case x squared by 2 plus x plus 1 by 2. For this case minus x squared by 2 plus x plus 1 by 2, and for this case the answer is 1. That's all. This is your distribution function. See, second subdivision, find the value of probability of minus 0.5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0.5. So as I said, P of A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b is equal to f of b minus f of a. So for this you will get P of minus 0.5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0.5. That is f of 0.5 minus f of minus 0.5. So just you see and see here f of 0.5, where this value lies here. It is between 0 to 1. So it is in the third case, minus x square by 2 plus x plus 1 by 2. You have to take that function, minus x square by 2 plus x plus 1 by 2, and minus, see what about minus 0.5? It should be here 0 to minus 1, minus 0.5. It is in the second case, x square by 2 plus x plus 1 by 2. So now replace x as 0.5, the whole square by 2 plus 0.5 plus 1 by 2 minus, put the bracket, minus 0.5 the whole square by 2 minus 0.5 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to, on the calculation you will get here 25. 5 squared is 25, but here this is 0.25. 5 5s are 25. After 2 decimal we keep the point, plus 0.5 plus 1 by 2 minus, again this is positive, 0.25 by 2 minus into minus plus 0.5 but minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel. Here 2 is the LCM. Just add the numerator term 0.25, 0.25, 0.50, 0.5 by 2 plus 1 you will get here. 0.5 will get, see here, minus minus you will get minus. So divide 0.2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 0.25 plus 1. So 1.0, 0.25, subtract here, you will get here, carry over 1, 10, here 10, 9. So 5, 7, 0.75. So this is the answer. Thank you.